Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Ready. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing and staying safe. Today I want to show you guys how you can get the beautiful DSLR blurry background effect. That amazing background you get with DSLR cameras and amazing lenses. You can literally get that on your phone. And to do this, I'm so happy I have these green leaves in the background. As you can see, they are very clear right now, so you're not really getting that blurry effect. And I'm going to be using my phone for this. I have an iPhone. Before we go any further, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please show your girl some love. Go down and hit that little red button that's, that says subscribe. Go ahead and hit that button. And if you like this video and you're going to use this method, please leave me your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video as well. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So the first thing you want to do is download the Focus app. Go to your app store on your iPhone and type Focus. I am going to post a picture of how it looks like on my phone right here. So the second thing you want to do is go to the control center on your iPhone. So that's where you have your flashlight and you have screen recording, because that's what we want to do. You want to turn on screen recording, but you don't want to turn on screen recording without sound. You have to turn on sound for screen recording. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do that right here.
Press and hold down the screen recording button. It should give you some options. The mic sign that reads microphone off, you want to turn that on. Once you press on it, it turns on and shows red. And whatever you record with this would have your sound or your voice in the video.
The next thing you want to do is open the app. I want to go to the Focus app. Now I've opened the Focus app. As you can see, that's it. Let me show you guys my monitor so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm now on the Focus app and I am using my voice recording on the phone to actually have audio for this, and I can switch it back. As you can see, switch it back and it gives right back to that really nice blurry effect. Now you can adjust the blurry effect right here, so I can decrease how blurry it is, and it's always good to have it on landscape. So that's 4.5. See, that's really clear right there. Or you can choose the blurry effect, which I'm gonna do that right there. And so you can record your videos basically with this, like that. I will put it on a tripod stand. I do have a stand. I'm just gonna put it on there and record like this, and then you can always edit out the other parts. You can see on the screen, leaving just this part of your video showing. You can adjust other things like flash on or off. You can also adjust the exposure, so I can go like really dark or like super bright. That's so bright. So I think I'm loving that right there. I think that's really nice. And you can go to your white balance and adjust that as well. So that's really cool. That's warm. I like it right there. I think right there, that's really nice. So yeah, guys, that's simply it. So that's it, guys. That's it for this tutorial. Hope this helps you if you're wanting to use your phone to edit. You can go to iMovies and simply crop out this area. That's super easy on iMovie. That's it, guys. Bye.